Hey beauties, it's Riri. Welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty and I love showcasing indie brands here on my channel. I also really love unboxings, and when you can mix an unboxing and indie brands, even better. This is my Eyescream beauty box for the month of December. And if you're unfamiliar with Eyescream beauty box, it is a more indie based makeup only subscription box for $25 monthly. There's a monthly choice option. They do also have an Eyescream beauty bag, which I think I might get. Y'all let me know if I should get that or not. And you can go in and make one choice per month, and you can also do an add-on. So I did opt for that. I'm not gonna look at the back of this, but this says thank you, we hope you enjoy. And then it'll have like pricing and stuff like that on the back. We'll get to that at the end. It is always packaged beautifully. And it is always packaged beautifully, which I love. I am so intrigued by what this is, so I'm taking this out first. And I try not to get spoilers. I do obviously know the palette that I picked. This is the Under Eye Cream by Creme de la Cube. I've never heard of them, but that's the good part about this particular box. Let me find my scissors. Have you heard of Eyescream Beauty Box? What are your favorite subscription boxes? All right, and I do pay for this myself. That is so cute. I love that. I love the packaging. My only thing with this is that sometimes it can be slightly deceptive, even though it's up to us as consumers to read. It will tell us the ounces or whatever, but it's not always as much product as you anticipate it being inside of a container like this. Like pretty much it's inside of a little teeny tiny pot. So I do just want to see what the texture, oh, it's more of like a color correcting, I think, a color correcting type cream. There's a big air bubble in there. I'm not actually smelling anything at all. Ooh, I'm super intrigued by that. I like that it has a little bit of a peachy undertone to it, because it may be one of those under eye creams that does offer a little bit of brightness, a little bit of color correction. The packaging, I love. That's super cute. Like, how pretty would that be too on your vanity? Alrighty, so I like that so far. Next up is the Premium Makeup Brush from Mange. I'm so sorry, you guys, if I mispronounce anything. And this creates a natural look. Makeup brush is a soft synthetic brush that lets you apply product with the lightest touch for a soft, sheer, natural looking effect. Let's grab our scissor again and see what type of brush it is. It's a whole set! No way. That is nice. Does it say? It doesn't say set on here, I don't think. High quality and multifunctional makeup brush for beginners and makeup lovers. Well, I'm not mad at it, honey. And they seem to have really good weight. They are shapes that I would absolutely use. I don't typically use angled brushes, but everything else I would use. And I say this all the time, y'all. You can never have too many brushes. I like that they're red, so kind of on theme for the holidays and for it being a December box. I am thrilled so far. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this in the trash, y'all. I'm definitely keeping this. All right, we have a few palettes in here. I'm so excited. So I'll go to whatever this is first. This is the, gosh, I should have worn my glasses. I am sorry, you guys. Hedoya Beauty is what I'm thinking it says, and it is a Prism lipstick. I don't always like packaging like this. If you're somebody like me that your vision is not very good. And then the shade is State of Nature. And you guys, the time that I'm filming this, the day I'm filming this, my son is about 30 minutes away from here, so I'm so excited. Yeah, it does say Hedoya Beauty, Prism lipstick in State of Nature. That is so pretty. I don't. Oh, okay, so it's not gonna sit on your vanity. I don't mind that. And mine looks like it, hopefully that's just from the plastic inside. I think it is, but it's got a little, came with a little friend. I think that's all that is. Yeah, let me take my little tweezer real quick, you guys. I love the shade of this. It would actually go beautifully with the gloss and liner that I'm wearing today. I'm trying to very carefully take that off. I think it's fine. I think it's just where it kind of pushed up into the plastic here. I will do a swatch for y'all. Oh, very pretty. Oh, it's like a soft matte. If you are familiar with the NYX, like the new velvet mattes that they have, or the Clarins Velvet Lip Perfector, it's very much, in my opinion, and just kind of based off the swatch, is very much that vibe. Let me wipe that off. I love the shade of it. Actually, let's try some out, you guys. And I normally do a full like try on for you guys, but I also got my Glam Light box at the exact same time. And because I typically do showcase these, I was like, well, you know, I can do a video after the fact. So let's see how this works. I actually don't smell anything at all. Like not waxy, not sweet, not nothing. Okay. I like that. I like the component and everything. Feels nice. You guys, so far I'm thrilled. And then this was my add-on. This is the Truffle Cosmetics Pavlova Palette Blush and Bronzing Palette. They are cruelty-free. And this says, an uber yummy palette with 6 blush and bronzing shades in a spectrum of textures that have been designed to be the ultimate treat for your cheeks. The matte blush and luminescent contour shades provide streak-free, buildable color on every complexion, and the frosted highlighter delivers a lit from within radiance, a must-have to your everyday beauty regime. And then swipe your favorite cheek brush over the products, and then here is a little bit more information. I'm gonna say now, personal preference, I just didn't realize scale, that's on me. I would never use this. Maybe I would keep it and use it for like eyeshadows. My bronzer brush, you guys, is big, and that is my preference. It is the same exact bronzer brush I had used for probably at this point 6 years, maybe a long time. So unfortunately, I don't think I'll use this, but I do think it is absolutely beautiful. And if you have tried it, please let me know. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and gift this to one of you guys. All rules will be in the description box. I'll add something else to this for y'all. But yeah, if I know I'm not going to use something, I'm very mindful about not being wasteful. So, and I can't get this back in here. But just know that, you know, if you want that, just enter. And then next up, I believe every box got this. And then this was my choice. So everybody got the new Enly Rain Hoppy Go Lucky palette. I am going to link my very recent video using the Enly Rain Cosmic Dreamer palette. I loved it. And this is my very first time using, you know, and that was my very first time using the brand. So seeing this in here, I'm so excited. The packaging I think is stunning. And I've seen quite a few, obviously I do follow them. I've seen quite a few of these smaller like creature, cutesy little palettes. I like smaller palettes like this. This feels nice and weighted too. That packaging is so cute. Oh yes, I would 1000% use this. That is so pretty. I like a neutral leaning palette, but I like greens and I like a little bit of warmth and I like depth. So already know I'm gonna love it. It does fold all the way back and the pans are removable. So if I wanted to kind of switch things out with the other palette that I do have, I could also do that. I will do quick swatches for y'all. This is Cottontail, Hoppy Hour, and Hippity Hoppity Boo. Sounds so freaking cute. That's so pretty. Oh yeah, I'm gonna love this. I already know. And if you guys do want to see a look, please let me know. I'm gonna let you know now. This is my last actual day of filming. Today's the 20th? I don't know. It's Friday? The 20th, yes. I'm pretty sure it's the 20th. But I'm wrapping up all of my work today and tomorrow because my son will be here, like I said, in just a little while. So if you do want to see a look, it will not be during the holiday season. It will be after that, so I do apologize for that. And then we have Thumper, Velveteen, and Carrot Cake. The mattes feel incredibly smooth, nice pigment to them, and I really like the way that these shimmers are swatching as well. Ooh, pretty. That's gorgeous. Even like just doing this and then this all over would be a stunning little look. I do have a towel down here. I've been filming, so it's a little bit of a mess. Yeah, I'm thrilled. I am absolutely thrilled, you guys. And then my choice for my palette was the Jelly Pong Pong Cosmetics Palette Orion Multi-Purpose Gradient Blush and Highlight Palette. I actually think I hear my son. They also are cruelty-free. I want to say everything in their boxes is going to be cruelty-free. Do not quote me on that, honey, because I do not know. Alrighty. Hopefully the pans are bigger. Okay, this I'll keep because I know I can get a highlighting type brush or like a blush brush in here For me, I would not use these as, you know, highlighting type shades. Does it say highlight or blush? Blush and highlight, yeah. I would go in with these like this and pop my blush on and then pop these right on top of that blush. More specifically because they're peachy, you know, warm, yummy tones. More specifically in the summer months. Okay, yeah. That I love. Y'all, I am absolutely thrilled. Hi, baby! I'm absolutely thrilled. The only thing, like I said, the pans in the other little palette that I did as my add-on, which that was on me. I just didn't pay attention, clearly. Everything else, though, we got one palette with our, like, blush highlights. We got something from Enly Rain, which is a new brand to me, new discovery, and a new love for me. So, yes, please. The Creme de la Cube. Cute as hell name. Love the packaging. And I like... I'll have to do some research on it, obviously, and look it up, but I like that I believe this is going to be kind of like the Ola Hendrickson one that I love so much. I think it's going to be like that. The lip product, super, super cute. You can't really store this anywhere. You'd have to just kind of lay it out and just let it be, you know, pretty. And then the brush set. I am thrilled, you guys. All of this for $25. Yes, please. Perfection in my eyes. I probably got stuff all over me. Sorry, you guys. I know I'm a disheveled hot mess, but you know what? You guys show up for me every single time, and I appreciate it so much. Thank y'all for loving me and accepting me unconditionally for all the weird, kooky hot mess that I am. I appreciate you so much. Thank you to my beautiful channel members. I love you. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.